Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to create TikTok account from your computer. First, you will need to open any browser available in your computer. In the search bar, type tiktok.com. So after that, click on this login button at the top right corner. It will open in this box for you. You just need to click on sign up option at the bottom of this box. So it will take you to this page. You just need to click on use phone or email. Select your birthday. And here in this area, you will see this phone. You can enter your phone or you can also sign up with email. So click on sign up with email and enter your email address. And you need to create a password for your TikTok. Make sure it has 8 characters, including letters, numbers, or any special characters you want. So after you have entered your email and your password, you need to click on the send code button beside the 6-digit code box. This will send you a mail in your Gmail. So just check your Gmail and you will see there's a mail that TikTok has sent you. You just need to enter the code here and just click on next. So after this, you will need to create your username. Make sure your username is unique. Know that TikTok can consider underscores and period in your username. After you created your username, click on sign up and you're done. As you can see, I have just created my TikTok account from my PC. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.